When do you, since when do you say that to vlogs? Hello.
That's crazy.
Anyway, I don't know her. Can somebody hold this?
Hey guys.
First of all, relax. Don't smash my camera.
My channel.
Look.
We are. Yuck, she's finna eat it.
I really am, because I'm hungry.
So last night we didn't really vlog, but we did a lot. And today I feel like we're gonna forget to vlog. What? What did you
see what I did?
Ate the whole thing?
It was just a lot.
Yuck. He looked like Iron Man a little bit. Robert Downey Jr.
I can't eat this.
Yeah.
More.
I wouldn't suggest.
Yeah,
I mean, tough.
I've already bitten.
I mean, but you did eat a moldy bagel the other day.
Ooh, chill. She did eat a moldy bagel and put it on Snap.
Not the public one.
It is
9
not
people
public.
know. We should not have gone this way.
Oh,
That's crazy. Wait. Can we get through the students and through here?
I don't know.
This is faster. Wait till we get to a populated area.
So basically, they trying to get me to say "Go Dogs."
Look at me.
In what position do I look like I should be saying this?
Wait until we get into the crowd a little more. We can do like the penis challenge. You just scream it.
The what?
The penis challenge.
Okay, no.
Ready? I'll start quiet.
Nah. You just not want to play. I always want to start quiet.
I mean, it's a game. I just start quiet. Ready? Set. Go dogs.
Go Dogs.
Go dogs. Say like we say them, don't we? That's what's going on. There's nothing. I don't know why I chose to vlog it right here because nothing's happening. Alright guys, back to your regularly scheduled programming. I'm so sorry you had to deal with her for so long. Anyway, I'm sweating all of my cocoa butter off. I'm not gonna say those kind of things on this. What you got to say? That's gonna be a crop to fill. If anybody was wondering, Yvette's wearing a shirt. Just in case you're wondering. She'd be like, we're gonna vlog today. Never touches her camera. And then I'll be recording, she'd be like, I lost the footage.
It'd be so
Every
long.
time.
Zora records for like 12 minutes straight and then...
And you gonna sit there and edit it. What does that have to do with corrupting?
You be making 10, 12-minute videos.
Maybe. What's the problem with that?
Baby girl, how you doing?
Wait, what's wrong with making 12-minute long clips?
No, there's nothing wrong, but sometimes in iMovie it just corrupts out of nowhere. Like it's just too much going on.
Maybe,
Zora.
maybe you should update your iMovie.
Yeah, we're not using iMovie anymore. Sorry.
Adobe Premiere Pro. Whoa, what?
Hello?
Adobe Premiere Pro only. iMovie who? Final Cut
You're wasting
only.
energy, girl.
All right. Steven, are you on the grill?
He's on the grill.
Hey, cut me out of here. Y'all vlogging for real?
Let's go. He did it.
Did I get it?
No.
Okay.
Story time. Vlogging is really hard when you're antisocial because you don't really got nothing to talk about because you're not doing nothing. You're being antisocial and you just everybody said, hey. The food is good. Oh, I ate mine. I'm a little bit lactose intolerant, more so allergic. Like my lips swell. Hey. But I be eating cheese anyway. Yeah.
Oh, cool. What is this called? I'm Nikon. I'm more of a Nikon.
Oh, for real?
Girl. Yeah.
I came to speak. What happened? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
This is not my channel. What are you
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to Zora's channel.
No.
Hello?
Welcome back to Zora's channel, not even mine. We're at the tailgate. It's the first game day. It's a whiteout. Here we are. In our white. Go for it. Are you gonna put all this in there?
I'll think about it.
That's my twin. Don't ask any questions about it.
That's Justin.
What's up, y'all?
That's Destiny.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, my
What's going on?
I'm having a great time.
Huh? Times are not good. I just be doing it when I.
In October.
Okay, in the, you know. I got you.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, we back. It was not recording. It's very hot. Everyone's very hot. I'm the only one not wearing white. Oh wait. She goes to Georgia today. I'm wearing white. White out.
This is how people be doing pranks. Hey.
Just a little tip.
Hey y'all.
It's been a minute and 7 seconds.
Every time I'm on my trip, I'm on that rainbow. And the fully that I can't go. She said, oh, you rich.
It's gonna be a boring vlog. It is. No, it's not boring. You just gotta make it real quick. Like jump cut. Like quick.
As soon as he,
I've been on my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts.
No one knows the word we're saying.
You ain't got that ass straight. DCOVO, we back again, go play.
we got the chicken. Oh, it's a little hot. Alyssa in the back. ASMR. Ooh, thumbnail. We got, oh, Yvette. I look stupid. I said, don't do that to you. I'm going to.
Am I holding it or am I on it? Oh, whoa. So, hey, look. Welcome to Zora's vlog. Hey, what's the name of the vlog? Zora the Explorer. And we finna explore. All right, I'll be back. Wait, hold up. Say hi to Zora real quick. Boom. There we go. Say hi to Zora the Explorer's vlog. What's up? It's Chu, it's Nyla, Pierre, Avery 92, Rico Suave, Meals on Wheels, Deja, let's go Destiny, and Kama. We would have her with some food in her mouth, who knows, bro. So welcome to the H2 tailgate, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the vlog. We got Steven on the grill. Hey, cut me out of here. Y'all vlogging for real? We got Steven on the grill. Oh, let me see.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
My dummy, your bed, cuckoo, your middle, my go yard, duffel. Alright, man. So that's all we had to do. Basically just, you know what I'm saying, say what's up to me if you see me. That's all I really had to say. Sorry, I'm really not good at this vlogging thing. No, you just crazy. Oh wait, Mickey G. What's up? Hey, you talking about Zora the Explorer vlog.
What's it funny? You think my YouTube name is funny?
Zora the Explorer?
Oh,
that's funny as fuck.
I thought it was more like a play on words.
No, it's funny and good at the same time, you know what I mean?
Okay. Thank you.
But yeah.
Now it's gonna look like I have friends. Oh my gosh. We are leaving. How do you end this?
Say
Bye guys.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Wait, you say the words and I'm gonna mouth it. Okay, ready?
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Only baddies pull off in the Nissan Altimas. The Nissan Altimas are for the baddies. Hold up, let me get the steering wheel.
Stop, it's shaking.
Why?
Because I don't know.
Your ignition? You need some oil? Some ignition? You need your transmission? Oh, all right. Well, I'll see you. You're very good. You have so much space. Bye, sister. That was a horrible goodbye.